What's up, guys? My name is Michael Lin. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna do something a little different. Am I lagging? I don't even know. Yeah, wait, I'm not lagging. Okay. So today I'm doing something a little different. So yesterday, what I did was basically, no, 2 days ago, in fact, I was working on doing AdCoder virtual contests, right, and upsolving. Now what I'm doing is I'm basically doing these problems by this group that this girl made. I don't know what her name is. No one IDG no whatever her name is. She made this group which has a bunch of problems from 1300. Yeah, which is a bunch of 1300 problems. So if you go to it, yeah, so I did a few of them already, but I'm going to do the next one, which is buying shovels. So I actually haven't done this problem yet, but yeah, I'm going to do that right now. So buying shovels. Okay. So Polycarp wants to buy N shovels. Each shop sells packages with shovels. The store has K types of packages. The package of the I type consists of I shovels. Store has an infinite number of packages of each type. Okay. You want to choose one type of package and then buy one or more packages of this type. What is the smallest number of packages you can buy with exactly, well, you have to buy with exactly N shovels? For example, if N equal to 8 and K is equal to 7, then Polycarp will buy 2 packages of 4 shovels. Help Polycarp find the minimum number of packages that he will need to buy. Given that he will buy exactly N shovels in total, the sizes of all packages he will buy are all the same, and the number of shovels of each package ranges from an integer from 1 to K inclusive. Okay, so if he buys N equal to 8, K is equal to 7, then Polycarp will buy 2 packages of 4 shovels. He'll buy exactly N shovels. There's K types of packages. Do you just loop from 1 to K and then check if the value is divisible by it? Then if it's divisible by it, do you just divide by it? Right, the largest value that's divisible. So like here you would loop from 1 to K, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 4 is the last value, could be divisible by 8. So then 8 divided by 4 is 2. I don't know if that will work for the rest. Let's see. 8, 1. If I loop from 1 to 1, it's just 1. 8 divided by 1 is 8. So yeah, that's why. Okay, let's see. 6 to 10. Maximum you could divide is 6, right? 6 divided by 6 equals to 1. So that will give you 1. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. So I might loop from K down to 1, actually, because that's faster, instead of looping from 1 to K. So I'm going to read in N and K. So that's what I'm going to do here. Read in N and K. I'm going to pass in so I have N and K as global variables, I think. Yeah, I have N and K as global variables. Okay, then I'm going to call solved. Okay. How many? Oh, do we have test cases? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to read in T, which is another global variable. I'm using global variables now because I don't feel like passing in by value, even though it's better to pass in by value. But for small programs like these, I don't think you need a global variable. I don't think you need to pass by value or pass by reference. So yeah, that's what I do. Read in N, read in K, do solved, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to loop from K, I is greater than or equal to 1, I minus minus. I'm going to check if N divisible by I is equal to 0. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just see out N over I. and I'm gonna return. Okay, so yeah, I think that would work, but I'm not 100% sure. Let me see what the any comment section. Let's see, hey, did you check VS Code for? I did not. I did not check that. I don't think I'm gonna use that because like I don't know. I'm kind of fine right now with my current Visual Studio, with regular Visual Studio. Maybe I'll check it later. But anyway, let's see this problem. Let's see if this is right. Okay, so it's taking a long time. Let's think. Okay, so we got that. So it takes a few seconds. I don't know if this is... I might get TLE actually. So let's actually try. Running on 1. See if I get TLE. Still running on 1. TLE on 1, okay. So I can't just loop from K down. I use GCF. Find the GCF of N and K. And divide by it. So what's the GCF of 8 and 7? No, I can't do that. GCF of 8 and 7 is not right. Oh, fooey. Oh, wait. Wait a second. If they're the same number, then we just print out 1. If it's less than it, can we just print out the original number? No, we can't. We can't. If it's the same number, we could definitely see out 1 though. So we could actually do that first. So if it's the same number, we're gonna print out 1, and then what we're gonna do is we just return. There must be a way to make this faster. See if it's divisible by 2. It'll be 2. Must be a number here that you could use. Let's see if this actually made it any faster. Must be some way to optimize this, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Okay, let's see. Okay, still TLE. So there has to be a way to do this mathematically. Let's see if it's 4, 3, 6, 5, 4. Oh, we could use binary search, right? So okay, so we could start I is equal to K. While I is while it's not divisible, while n is not divisible by I, if it's not divisible by I, we get the midpoint between 1 and K. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so we have like a beginning. Actually, let's call left and right. So left value is going to be 1. Right value is going to be K. Let's make them both longs. So I have LL for long, right here. That's what I have. So while left is less than right, what we're going to do is we're going to get the midpoint. So let's do midpoint is going to equal to Left plus right divided by 2. So 1 plus k divided by 2. Okay. Now what we're going to do is if the... Oh, this is kind of difficult. How are we going to binary search? Okay, so if n mod by mid is equal to 0, so that means we're done. So then we just print out n over mid and then return. Otherwise, we need to check if... So else, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take leftover, so n value, leftover value, it's going to equal to n over mid. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let's see, n over mid, if n value is if it's less than mid, then we go to the right. If it's greater, then we'll go to left. Is that how it works? I'm trying to think. How are we going to use binary search on this? Okay, so let's say we go from 1 to 7, right? The midpoint between 1 and 7 is 4. So that's divisible by 8. Okay. Let's say oh boy. Okay, it was 6 and 10. Okay. 6 and 10. So let's say the 6 and 10 is 1. Oh, 6, that's why. Okay. Okay, 1 plus 10 is 11, right? So left is 1, right is 10. So 1 plus 10 is 11. Divided by 2 is about 5-ish. Yeah, 5. If this is greater than left, we should go to the right. No, if it's greater than... Wait. When would you go to the left? Oh, you would never go to the left. You always go to the right. Wait, would you always go to the right? No, you need to go to the left sometimes, though. How would you know if it's divisible by it or not? That's a big question. I'm not sure. How would you know if it's divisible by it or not? Basically, what I need is I need to find the largest GC, greatest common factor between the largest factor that is divisible by n that is less than k. So you could loop from k down to nothing and check if it's divisible by it. But what you want to do is did you find the GCF of 1 to k? No, you can't do that. No, this is a hard problem. What time is it in India? Hello, Arun. What time is it in India right now? Curiosity. It's 9 a.m. Oh, wow. That's something. But yeah, if you're new to the stream, I'm basically doing this problem called buying shovels. I could post a link to the question. It's from one of the groups that this Russian girl made in order to improve your CP skills. Okay, so it's like round 644 division 3. That's what it is. D. Okay. But anyway, I'm trying to think. Basically, I need the largest factor that is less than k that is divisible by 8. Largest factor that is less than k that is divisible by 8. Oh, wait, we could start by going through all the factors of 8. So we could do like 8 divided by 2 is 4. Check if that's less than k. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So we could get all the divisors of 8. And then we check if it's less than or equal to k. That's the same thing as doing a for loop from k, though. But how do you get all the divisors of 8? Greatest common factor. Is it greatest common? It's not greatest common factor. It's 8:58 a.m. Nice. Are you guys really, did I just wake you up today? 8:58 a.m. Yeah. Oh, wow. Seems strange how the live stream is kind of weirded out. Can you guys see my screen? Hope you can. Okay. Anyhow. How are we gonna solve this problem? Thinking about getting all the divisors of 8. The largest divisor of 8. Let's see, how to get all the divisors. Yeah, so this is a naive way. Is there a better way? Oh, this is square root of n. Go from 1 to the square root of n and then check if it's divisible by it. If divisors are equal, print only 1. Go through 1 to the square root of n. Okay, maybe I'll do that. I'll push all the values into a stack. Not a stack. I'll push it into a new vector or something. So yeah. Okay. We're not going to use binary search because I don't know how you would do it going forward and going back. So, whoops. So I'm going to create a new vector called divisors. I'm going to loop through from 1 to less than or equal to n square root of n. But faster ways to actually do this. Yeah. If n is divisible by I, what we're going to do is we're going to do this. Check if n over I is equal to I. If it is, then we just push divisors. I mean, I should make this a set. Insert I, else insert divisors, insert I, and insert n over I. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, okay, so that's what we're doing. Yeah, okay. Now we have the stack of set of divisors. We're going to loop through the set of divisors and just get the largest one. So yeah, so now here we just get the largest one that's less than or equal to k. So now we loop from crap. Maybe I should make this a vector. Yeah, I might get a vector. Insert. Let's push back. Push back. Because if it was a set, I don't think I could loop through. Can you loop backwards from a set? Can you loop backwards from a set in C++? Oh, you can. Wow, okay, maybe I should just... Yeah, I mean, okay, I'll make it back to a set. Okay, for auto x equal to divisors dot r end, r begin, x is not equal to divisors dot r end, x plus plus. Okay, oh, it has to be plus plus x. That's weird. That's super weird. Yeah, that's really weird. Okay, now it's an increasing order, yeah. So now what we're gonna do is that, wait, do sets have orders? I think it does, right? No, wait. Wait, sets has no order, right? You have two base case, at least one. K if k is equal to 1. Print n if k is equal to n, print 1. Oh yeah, that is true. That is true. Yeah, I'll do that. You have two base cases if k is equal to 1, print, and yeah, you're right. Print n if k is equal to, what was it? N print 1. Yeah, I did that. Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, actually, I'm going to use a vector. Okay, use a vector so then make it push back. I hope there's no repeated values, because if there is a repeated value, that'll be super strange. I don't know. Okay, now what we're going to do is we need to find a value that's just larger than, less than or equal to k. Okay, less than or equal to k, and then, yeah. We do largest value on long underscore min, loop through from the end. If x the largest value is equal to max, largest value, and then star x. So that's just getting the pointer. Okay, now we just print the largest value. Okay. Okay. Set doesn't store repeats, value, sort them in. Yeah, okay, yeah, set doesn't, yeah, I think you're right. Set doesn't store. I don't think it sorts them. Okay. 1, 1. Oh, this is 6. Oh, crap. Okay, the crap. Okay. I want to print n over this. So n over largest value. Two, 8, 1, yeah, 1. Okay, so I think maybe this works. I don't know. Yay! I got AC. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah. A 1300 problem that I solved without looking at the editorial. I feel good about myself. That was pretty fast. You know? That was actually really fast. Damn. Okay, should I end the stream right now? I don't know. Only one concurrent view. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you do the problem. But yeah, rate, comment, subscribe. Actually, congratulations. Thanks. Yeah, that was a very short stream. Yeah, this is gonna be a really short stream. Rate, comment, subscribe. Yeah, I didn't realize I would solve this problem pretty fast under like 26 minutes. But yeah, rate, comment, subscribe. I'll check you guys later. I'll live stream again tomorrow. All right, maybe around this time. But yeah, rate, comment, subscribe. I'll check you guys later. Peace.